Indian manufacturers are doing a wonderful job. We are building our own sustainable means. We are becoming a manufacturing hub in the world. So soon there are challenges like raw material and technologies. We are facing some challenges with that, but these are not the challenges which cannot be mitigated. So we are doing well in that. Soon you are going to see the results because policies, the government of India is making such policies which are backing it very well. I think this is a good initiative, ICCT. This is the green transportation, clean transportation is the need of hour, and every city, every country should work on that. I will say that this initiative should be continued, and we should work upon more and more academia, government, private institutions. We all should sit together to make our cities, our country more sustainable, more green, and more efficient.